Do you want to learn how you can make money without having to be boring or losing anything fun? Do you want to work and still have your own time? Well, today's method is going to allow you to do just that. You can do your work from anywhere at all, no matter where you are, as long as you have an internet connection. You can do it at home. You can even take it with you wherever you go, literally on vacation, when you go shopping, maybe to lunch, and you can choose to work on the times that you want to. Now, we're 100% sure you guys just want to get into it. So, stick around so you'll know how. Make sure that you do watch through this entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method, and make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So first website is CafePress.com, and this website is what's going to help us make money today. And what this website does, it helps us create our own merchandise. You can create your own clothing, drinkware, accessories, decor, stationery, stickers, signs, phone cases, and a lot more. Now, they do provide you with a drop-down menu for occasions where you can design personalized items for a lot of different events, like maybe birthdays and baby showers, bridal showers, whatsoever. If you want to know more, you can actually just explore it on your own after watching today's video. For now, what we want you to do is scroll to the bottom part of the page and then select Start Selling. So you can find that under the Help column, and this is actually going to bring you to a page where you're going to see the instructions or the steps on how to finally start selling. So there's just 3 simple steps. First, you're just going to have to create and upload your own design. And the next, again, don't worry, because we are going to be sharing with you a way that's going to help you make your own designs easily. Next step is that the website is going to do the selling for you. So they're going to handle the marketing and promotion and everything else. And the hard part is basically over, right? So it really depends on where you plan on, promoting and putting the design. If you want it on a shirt, on a mug, on a postcard, whatever you want. And then after that, they sell it, you're going to get your cut. So that's how this website basically works, okay? It actually gets a lot of traffic, and we all know that that's very important, and it's something that you always have to remember, especially when you're looking for a platform that's going to help you make money on. Now go ahead, check out similarweb.com, and if you actually go over to the website, you're going to see that CafePress has gotten over 2.43 million visits. Now that's a lot of visits, and it only proves that the website is doing well and it is legit and trusted. Now you can definitely get a decent amount of money, especially because a lot of people have visited the website. Now let's go back to CafePress, and what we want you to do next is click on Add Designs, and that's going to take you to this page where you can then create a brand new account. If you don't have an account yet, all you have to do is enter in your email address, your password, and then you're going to confirm that. So make sure that you type in a working email, because you're going to have to verify it after. So as soon as you're done verifying your account and you're all logged in, it's going to look like this inside your account. So go on and hover your mouse on Create Your Own, and then you're going to select what design you'd like. So you can choose clothing, drinkware, accessories, and a lot more. But for today's video, as an example, let's just select drinkware and then mugs. So click on mugs, and it's going to redirect you to a brand new page. And on this brand new page, you're going to see how much the mug would cost and the different prices depending on the sizes. So how about let's just, stick to the small size mug, since it's discounted at the moment and it's affordable, which will mean that a lot of more people will want to buy it more. So click on Start Designing, And once you have decided on what size you want of the product, you can finally see that it is fully customizable. You can change the color of the mug. You can choose like a different color combo, from the inner and the outer. You can put on your twist to it. You can add text and images. So remember we mentioned like earlier that you can make the design your own. And that is where our next website will play this part. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. So go ahead and type in pngtree.com, and that's the website that's going to give us royalty-free images. You can use it wherever, however that you want, without any copyright issues, without any worries. And you can even make money from it. You can actually get your photos from here, so that for your design, and then earn from it. It's literally very easy and it's always available. Now another thing that we love about this is that it's free, and like there are thousands and thousands of photos under different niches. So it doesn't matter what you're looking for, this website for sure has it. And all you have to do is just choose what photo you'd like, then download them for free. Now again, for the sake of this video, as an example, we're gonna look photos up of puppies. And since everybody loves cute puppies, this is gonna make our merchandise more saleable, since it's very appealing to a lot of people. Now to start, just sign up to the website. Click on the sign up button right here, and that's gonna open up a new tab, and then you're gonna add your information. You can either sign up with Google, Twitter, or your Facebook, but if you don't want that, you can do it manually with any email address. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Now, once you've logged in to pngtree.com, you're going to want to look for photos again of cute puppies and select one of the results. All you have to do is download the photo that you've chosen by clicking on download PNG over here. Click on free download, and that's going to automatically save into your computer. Next thing is to go back to CafePress and then select on add image. Select the image that we just downloaded earlier. And afterwards, you're basically done. Your product is going to be put up for sale. And the greatest thing about this is that there will always be that on its website, which means that you can earn passively from this. The people can buy your products even months or years after you've posted it on your website, because this website is still going to produce it. And the more products that you actually create, the more sales you will have. And using CafePress and PNG Tree, it's very easy to make designs. Literally put them on clothing, on accessories, on drinkware, or whatever. So literally, what are you waiting for? You can create your merch so easily, so there's really nothing to lose. So let's do a little recap. First, you're gonna have to go to CafePress, sign up, choose what type of product you want to create, then go on PNG Tree, find photos of whatever it is you want to put on designs. Download multiple photos, put them on clothing, on drinkware, on accessories, on mugs and stuff like that, and then post it up for selling. And that is basically everything.
And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.